Divisible sum pairs. Given an array of integers and a positive integer k, determine the number of pairs where I is less than j and AR(i) plus ARj is divisible by k. Example, AR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, k is equal 5. 3 pairs meet the criteria 1, 4, 2, 3, and 4, 6. Function description. Complete the divisible sum pairs function in the editor below. Divisible sum pairs has the following parameters. Int n is the length of an array AR, int AR is an array of integers, int k is the integer divisor. Returns int, the number of pairs. Input format. The first line contains two space-separated integers, n and k. The second line contains n space-separated integers, each a value of ARRI. Constraints. 2 less than equal to n is less than equal to 100. 1 less than equal to k is less than equal to 100. 1 less than equal to ARI is less than equal to 100. So this is the sample input and this is the sample output. And this is the explanation. So here are the 5 valid pairs when k equals 3. So 0, 2, so AR0 plus AR2 is 1 plus 2 is 3. 0, 5, AR0 plus AR5 is 1 plus 2, which is 3. 1, 3, which is AR1 plus AR3 equals 3 plus 6 equals 9. 2, 4, which is AR2 plus AR4 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3. And lastly, 4, 5, which is AR4 plus AR5 equals 1 plus 2 equals 3. I'm using Python for this solution, and let's do it. The variable count is initialized to 0, representing the count of pairs that meet the condition. The outer loop starts from the first element and goes up to the second to last element of the list. It iterates through the elements one by one, considering each element as a starting point for creating pairs. The inner loop is nested inside the outer loop and starts from the next element after the current outer loop element. It continues into the last element of the list. This inner loop allows pairing the current outer loop element with each subsequent element in the list. By using this nested loop structure, the code ensures that each element in the list is paired with all the elements that come after it without repeating any pairs or missing any elements. Inside the loops, the code checks if the sum of the elements at indices I and j in the AR list is divisible by k. If it is, the count variable is incremented by 1. After both loops are completed, the function returns the final value of count, which represents the total count of pairs in the AR list, whose sums is divisible by k.